Space is supposed to be predictable. Not quiet, but predictable. Astronomers spend their lives tracking objects that follow rules. Orbits, patterns, paths we understand, until one night, something didn't. A telescope scanning the sky detected a faint object. At first, it looked ordinary, just another asteroid. But when scientists calculated its trajectory, they stopped. This object was not orbiting the sun. It wasn't looping back. It wasn't bound to our solar system. It was passing through. Fast, silent, uninvited. They named it 3I Atlas. The name sounds technical, almost boring. But what it represents is anything but that. The number 3 means this was only the third object ever confirmed to come from outside our solar system. Not formed here, not born near our sun, a traveler from another star. And that realization changed everything. Because if this object truly came from interstellar space, then our solar system is not isolated. It's exposed. And this wasn't just a random rock drifting nearby. Its speed was extreme. Its angle was wrong. Its motion didn't match anything we normally see. When astronomers traced its path backward, it never crossed the sun. Not once. This object didn't belong here. And that raised a terrifying and fascinating question. If this one made it through, how many others already have? To understand why 3I Atlas shocked scientists, you need to understand how most space objects behave. Asteroids in our solar system are prisoners, trapped by the sun's gravity, forced into predictable loops. But 3I Atlas wasn't looping. Its trajectory was hyperbolic, meaning gravity could bend its path, but never capture it. It was moving too fast. And speed in space tells a story. The faster an object moves, the farther away it likely came from. 3I Atlas wasn't gently drifting between stars. It was launched. Something somewhere threw it into interstellar space millions, maybe billions out of years ago. And then, by pure cosmic coincidence, it crossed our path. What made scientists uneasy wasn't just where it came from. It was how little time we had to observe it. Interstellar objects don't slow down. They don't wait. They appear, and they're gone. That means every measurement matters. Every photon of light is precious. Because 3I Atlas isn't just an object, it's evidence. Evidence that planetary systems are violent, chaotic, capable of ejecting matter across the galaxy, which means our solar system has likely done the same. Pieces of Earth's neighborhood could be drifting near distant stars right now. And that leads to a disturbing thought. Space is not empty, it's a highway. So where did 3I Atlas come from? We don't know the exact star. And that uncertainty is part of the mystery. Stars are born surrounded by disks of gas and debris. Planets form. Asteroids collide. Gravity fights itself. In that chaos, objects get flung outward. Some escape forever. 3I Atlas is likely one of those survivors. A fragment of a distant solar system that didn't survive its own formation. For millions of years, it drifted through interstellar darkness. No light, no warmth, just cold vacuum and radiation. And yet, it endured. That alone makes it remarkable. Because interstellar space is not gentle. It erodes, it mutates matter, which means 3I Atlas carries a chemical signature from a place we can never reach. It's a physical sample from another star system, not sent intentionally, not controlled, just delivered. That's why scientists care so deeply, because inside that object could be answers about how planets form, how common certain elements are, even how water and carbon spread across the galaxy. In a way, 3I Atlas is a message, not written in language, but in atoms. Whenever an unknown object appears in space, the same question follows. Is it dangerous? In the case of 3I Atlas, the answer is no. It passed at a safe distance, nowhere near Earth, but that's not the real concern. The real concern is detection. We only saw 3I Atlas because our instruments happened to be looking at the right place, at the right time. Interstellar objects don't announce themselves. They don't glow brightly. They don't follow schedules. They just arrive. And if one were larger, or darker, or faster, we might not see it coming. This doesn't mean panic. It means awareness. Because every detection like this teaches us how to look better. Wider surveys, faster tracking, smarter prediction models. 3 High Atlas is not a threat. It's a warning bell, not of danger, but of ignorance. A reminder that space still holds surprises far beyond our control. For scientists, 3 High Atlas is more than a passing object. It's a clue. Every asteroid, every comet, carries a chemical fingerprint, a record of the environment, where it was formed. By analyzing the light reflected from 3 High Atlas, astronomers can begin to understand what distant star systems are made of. Not directly, not perfectly, but enough to ask better questions. Does it contain water ice, carbon-based compounds, unusual minerals? These details matter because they tell us whether planetary systems across the galaxy form the same way ours did or in completely different conditions. If objects like 3 High Atlas are rich in complex molecules, then the ingredients for planets, and possibly life, may be far more common than we once believed. This doesn't mean 3 High Atlas carried life. It means it carried potential. Potential shaped around another star, under different radiation, different gravity, different timescales. And yet, here it is, crossing our solar system. As if these vast distances meant nothing. This is why discoveries like this quietly change science, not with explosions, not with headlines, but by forcing us to accept that our planetary system may not be special, just familiar, and once that idea settles in, it becomes impossible to ignore what comes next, because if other systems can send us their fragments, then the universe is constantly sharing its secrets. For a long time, we believed interstellar objects were extremely rare, that the visit of something like 3 High Atlas was almost impossible. But recent discoveries suggest the opposite. Astronomers now believe that our solar system may be crossed by interstellar objects far more often than we ever imagined. Most of them are small, dark, cold, and completely invisible to our telescopes. 3 High Atlas wasn't special because it existed. It was special because we noticed it. Think about that. Right now, as you watch this, there could be objects from other star systems, passing silently beyond Neptune, or even closer. We just don't see them. Modern surveys only scan portions of the sky, and only at certain depths, only at certain speeds. Anything moving too fast, too dark, or at the wrong angle can slip through unnoticed. That means interstellar space is not empty. It's active, a constant flow of debris, exchanged between stars. This completely changes how we think about the galaxy. Stars are not isolated creators of matter, they are contributors. They throw material outward, and they receive material in return. Over billions of years, this process mixes the galaxy, which means planets like Earth may contain material that did not originate here at all, atoms from other systems, older than the Sun itself. 3 High Atlas is proof that the universe is not neatly separated, it's blended, and that realization forces us to ask a much bigger question. If matter can travel between stars, what else can? 3 High Atlas is already leaving. It will never slow down, never turn back, never send a second signal. Its visit was brief, cosmically insignificant, and scientifically priceless, but it won't be the last. New telescopes are coming online, wider surveys, deeper scans, faster detection systems. Soon, we won't detect one interstellar object every few years. We may detect dozens, and with each one, our understanding of the universe will change. Some will be rocky, some icy, some completely unfamiliar, each one carrying a history from a star we may never identify. And one day, we may be ready to do more than observe. Future missions may attempt to intercept these visitors, to sample them, to study them directly. Imagine holding material that formed around another star. Not through science fiction, through engineering. 3 High Atlas represents the beginning of that era. The moment we realized our solar system is not a closed system. It's part of a larger network, a cosmic exchange. And the most unsettling thought is this: we only noticed 3 High Atlas, Because we were finally looking carefully enough, which means for billions of years, objects like this have passed unnoticed, silent, unrecorded, unseen. So the next time astronomers say, they've detected something unusual in the sky, remember this: space is not calm, it's not empty, and it's definitely not predictable. Because somewhere out there, right now, another visitor is already on its way, and this time, we might not miss it.